So this is the database management systems lab tree. So in this lab, we are going to execute the advanced SQL commands. So the first thing is that to find the average price of the confirmed tickets. For that, we enter these commands, and after executing these commands, we can see the average price. The next thing is to find the starting days as start of all the events. So after entering the commands, the certain things have been printed here. So the next thing is to find the minimum date and the maximum date of all the events that has been occurring. So we enter the commands, and the results has been printed in the SQL. So after that, we are going to find the total number of venues used to conduct the events. So after entering the following commands, we can view the things here. So the next thing is to find the number of users in user. So the next thing is to find the number of users in user table. So we enter the commands with the star and followed by the table name that we have been created. We can view the count here. After that, we are going to find the length of the password that we have been entering. So we enter this command, and at last in the inverted commas, we enter whatever the length it should be. And we can view the length of the password here. After that, we are going to concatenate the date and time of event table as the date, time, and display date, time, and the name of the event. So we enter the command, and it has been successfully executed. So next is to find the usernames whose name ends with plus. So we enter the command, and in the inverted comma, we represent whatever it needs to be. It will print in the SQL plus. After that, we have to find the left pad, the seat number of ticket table with triple zeros. So we enter the command, and it has been successfully printed in the SQL plus. After that, we are gonna print the event details conducted in the same venue ID. So here we can view the things. To add a column named with remarks in the venue table. So we'll enter the commands, and it has been successfully printed in the SQL plus. After that, we are going to use the round and truncate functions to round off and truncate the values, these certain values to two decimal places. So we enter the following SQL commands, and it has been successfully done in the SQL plus. So the next thing is to find the prefix price column with the value of 0 in the ticket table, so that we can make the length of the price 10 digits. So we enter the commands, and it has been printed in the SQL plus. After doing everything, we are gonna retrieve all the events order by order in the date and time in the ascending order. So we'll enter the commands with the select star followed by the table name, and it has been successfully printed here in the SQL plus.